Cold hard facts about marketing. Marketing is easy, but marketing takes work. But it's not rocket science. You just got to do it. You have to do it. That's what you need to do is you need to get it done. It's simple. So much of the stuff is simple. For if you're running a local business, Google business account. If you haven't claimed it, get off your butt and go claim it. And go put all your information in there and make sure your name and your address are correct. Okay, you got to make sure that's correct and have it the same, exact same as on your website. It's those little things that matter. Same thing on Facebook. On your Facebook business page, is your website there? I would say probably 8 out of 10 Facebook business pages I look at, there is no website. Why not? That's lazy ass business stuff. Get it done and do it right. That's all it takes is to just do things right. Do the small stuff that matters. It doesn't take much. Start with 10 minutes a day to make sure your marketing is done right. Figure out some little things. Do a video. Like TikToks are under a minute. This one I'm doing is like a minute and a half, 2 minutes. You can do longer ones, but the most common are under a minute. Do a minute TikTok video. Do a minute reel. Do a minute Facebook reel. Do a minute YouTube short. A minute. It's one freaking minute. Just talk about how good you are at what you do for your clients. And do that every day. Spend a minute. And then what? Uploading it takes another 2 or 3 minutes. Under 5 minutes, you can have a video on Facebook or on YouTube or on TikTok. If you did that 5 minutes a day for 5 days a week, put it on, choose 2 or 3 platforms, you'd have 2 or 3 videos a week and you would have great content and people would start to see you. And then if you do the Google business account and the Facebook stuff, and then you check to make sure your website's done right, all these little things, it doesn't matter. It matters. It's not a lot of time. It doesn't take a lot of time. Just get the shit done. Because that's what marketing's about, is getting it done, being consistent. Okay? There's lots more to it, but it's not hard. And you know what? We can help make it easy with automation, with tools, all those kind of things. And if you think about it, what's an average client worth? If you got an average client worth $100, $500, $1,000, $10,000. If you're a contractor, an average client's worth $10,000. What if you miss a call? We have a tool called Missed Call Text Back. If you miss one call a month, that's $10,000 to a contractor like yourself. Okay? Maybe you're a hairdresser and it's a $250 color and cut. Geez, missed call text back? Wouldn't that be nice? You probably get 3 or 4 missed calls if you're a hairdresser. And maybe you get 2 or 3 of those ones as new business. It doesn't take much to pay back the investment in automation. It really doesn't. You want to use the tools and use the marketing. Marketing pays. Marketing is an investment in your business. You need to do the marketing. You need to do it on a regular basis. You need to just say, this is something I got to do. Okay? Because it's your business and it will pay dividends. It will scale huge. So do it now. If you need help, ask me. I'll give you 10 tips to start tomorrow for free. I'll talk for 10 minutes and give you some ideas about here's what you could do. I'll look over your social media accounts. I'll look over your website. I'll help you out for free. Just comment below. You want some help? Check my website out. Fill out a form. Get in there. Get it done. Get it done now. It's time to get your marketing done right.